What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Sorry I haven't been posting much lately, but I'm hoping that'll change. Uh, Today I'm gonna go fishing. I was gonna wait for Tim, but it looks like Tim's not going, so I'm just gonna go by myself. I'm not gonna take this camera because it's raining. Should be good for fishing. I'm gonna take the GoPro, hopefully get some good footage. Um, just need some relaxation in my life. A lot of drama lately, some fighting, just some bad days, man. Like today, I forgot to grab money to buy night crawlers, so Mom bought me night crawlers. She's my savior. Forgot my iPod charger, and my iPod is literally on 20%, which means it's got about 10 minutes left of battery. So that's dead. Yeah, all I have is my fishing pole, a tackle box, and some worms. That's all I have to keep me company today. And you guys. Anyways, I hope you liked the vlog today. I'm going to try to make it interesting. I don't know. We'll see if I can catch any fish. But I will see you guys down at the river. Wish me luck. Down here at the river. Just got my pole in the water. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me that good because it's raining now. But just chilling, waiting to get a fish. Let's hope I get one. Got the GoPro mounted here on the stick. No pole's here. Got my water shoes on. So it's okay if I get a fish, I can go in after it. It's starting to rain pretty hard. Some thunder. Hopefully the fish start biting. Alright. Pop my line. I'm going to show you guys how to set up a fishing pole. First, loop it through the loops. String through the loops. All the way through. Choose the appropriate sized hook for your bait. I'm using giant night crawlers, so I'm going to use a big hook. This one is big enough to hold one of those giant night crawlers. Don't put this on first. Grab a slip weight. Slide it on the string like this. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm trying to yell. Then grab the clamp weight. About 8 inches down the string. Clamp it on there. With your teeth. Or pliers if you're a wuss. Make sure it's tight or else it'll slide down to the hook. Still not tight. I'm gonna have to use pliers. Pliers. Yeah. Okay. Now to tie the hook. Let me get closer. I slide it through like this, and then I twist the hook about 7 or 8 times, and then you stick this tip through the little loop at the bottom of the twisties, and then you put it back through this loop up here, and then, oh no, I missed. That's how you set up a fishing pole. And then you just hook the worm on there. Let's use a big fat juicy one. Perfect. Big fat juicy worm. Slide it on there. Just hook it on there real nice. Oh gosh. Yeah. Ta-da! And then you cast it out. Make sure you close up your worms or they'll crawl away. Alright, let's cast this puppy out. Just let it sink to the bottom and you're good to go. So I'm just chilling still, waiting to get a bite. Still raining pretty good. Just getting a little worse. It's supposed to rain for a good bit today, but yeah, I might move down in a little bit to a new spot. I just thought these rocks right here would make a good fishing spot, but I'm scoping out new spots right now, so next time you see me, I'll be at a different spot. Got the new spot. Got my pole in the water. Already missed one fish. Might be getting another. Hang on. I don't know. Don't know how long I've been here. Just been chilling. I swear this bullfrog's been following me around. I saw it down there. I don't know if it's the same one, but I have no way to tell the time because my iPod is dead. I didn't even bring it. I lost a big fish, man. It was big. Oh. Oh, got a bite. Ooh. Missed it. Took my worm. That's a shame. Alright guys, pretty much quit raining. Start pouring down rain as soon as I took the GoPro out of the case to take a video. So the case got wet. I had to put the GoPro in a plastic bag, shove it in my pocket. Couldn't record anything from there on until it quit raining, and it's starting to rain again. But I dried the case out, put the GoPro back in. I caught a fish while it was pouring down rain. I have it right down there on the stringer. It's not a catfish, it's just a freshwater drum. But I'm gonna take that home, I'm gonna eat that thing. But I'm just chilling here, waiting for another fish. I had a big one, but it got away. I'm soaking wet, if you can't tell me. My hoodie is just soaked. So, in my pants, check them out. I'm soaked. Just trying to catch me some food, man. But Tim never showed up. The rain is stopping. Might head out in a little bit. I don't know. But if I catch another fish, I'll let you guys know. Lost a huge fish right here. Popped my line, went up into this, around this corner, snapped my line, I reset it. I've been here like 3 hours now, only caught one fish, so after I lose this worm or
pop this line or whatever. I'm gonna head out. I'm soaked. I gotta get warm. Freezing cold. Dirty. The gnats are coming out because it stopped raining. And they just won't leave me alone. So, now the sun's coming out. But I might come back down a little bit with some more bug spray. I gotta get something to eat, all that fun stuff. But I need to take this fish back, get it in the freezer, and hopefully I'll be back down here.
Back at Tiff's house. Stopped raining. Here's the fish that I caught. The only fish. It's a freshwater drum. It's about my hand size. These are good for eating, but you don't catch many of these, so I had to keep it, even though it's a little small. But I'm gonna get this on some ice, and I got bit by one of these stupid gnats right on my eyebrow, and it itches so bad. I don't know if you could see it. I don't know, but it itches. I'm gonna get this puppy on ice, and then I'm gonna relax for a little bit.
What's up, guys? I'm out here at Crate Park now, trying to get me some more fish. The rain started again after I put on dry clothes, so that was helpless. Yeah, I'm just chilling here in the rain all by myself. Nobody in the park but me. Yep, just trying to catch some fish. I got one. It's a sucker. Dang thing. Should have been a catfish. Got a bass. Smallmouth. Nice.
And we're done fishing. Well, just me. Caught a few fish, got rained out. Yeah, I ran out of worms, really. I only had 12 worms. Ran out of worms, so I had to leave. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys liked my little fishing trip. I know I didn't catch that many fish, but it was just relaxing to have some time to myself. But hope you liked the vlog. There will be more coming soon. I got a lot of video to edit, but I've been slacking still. Anyways, yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Peace.